Hello everyone, I'm Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the game turbo features in the Redmi Note 10 Pro device. So a lot of users they did ask me plenty of questions regarding the Redmi Note 10 Pro, and I'm trying to do a one by one video, friends. So I'm kind of a little bit busy with my work, so that's why I'm unable to make plenty of videos on the Redmi Note 10 Pro. So but let's begin the special video on the game turbo features and all the tips and tricks what you can get. Let's see, friends, what are the features will be present in the latest update as well. And in case if you want to download this wallpaper which is exactly suitable for the punch holes, so make sure to check the links in description and follow me regularly, and don't forget to check the links for the even for the Redmi Note 10 Pro as well. And let's begin the game turbo features. So by going through the security applications, you can find the game turbo here. If you scroll down, you will see the option. As you can see, this is a game turbo. As you can hear, friends, so you got the same kind of volume effect which has been present in the previous versions. So same kind of volume effect and the same animation, so everything is gonna be same in this Redmi Note 10 Pro. And here you do have this kind of interface, so which will give you the really good feedback when you're trying to scroll around. So let me try to change the game. So you'll get very good sound effects, and even you will get little bit kind of vibrations as well on the back side depending on the sound, as you can see. So next on the top you can see the CPU percentage and the GPU and the battery percentage here. And if you go to the settings option, you can find additional settings here. And to enable this real-time FPS meter, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends. Do check the latestly uploaded videos on this, how to enable the real-time FPS. You will get to know. And in the general settings, you do have the game turbo, in-game shortcuts, uninstalling games, and home page orientation. So if you don't like the landscape, you can use the vertical as well, the game features. But I do like this kind of horizontal way of using the game turbo. So next is the performance mode. So in the performance mode, you do have the Wi-Fi optimization and optimized touch controls. So these are the few things even you do have in the performance mode. Next, performance optimized. Avoid overheating and the hardware related issues. If you want, you can enable that option. And memory exceptions. So maybe a few of the applications might except from the memory in the background. So whenever you open the game turbo or any other game, so the background applications will get disconnected sometimes. So you can even use this kind of memory exception, for example WhatsApp or Gmail or Zoom calls, Facebook. If you want to still receive the messages, you can use this kind of feature. So next is a game do not disturb mode. So answer calls hands free. So when you're playing a game, whenever you get a call, you can answer the calls freely without uninterrupting the game. You'll get the small pop-up window. You can use that. Enhanced experience and restrict buttons and the gestures. But if you use a full screen mode, then definitely this might help a lot. In the additional settings, you will be getting all this kind of special all the games which are installed in your phone. So later you do get special features. So if you try to select one game, so you'll get the control of the touch response, how much you want to have, and sensitive response, and the touch resistant area, how much big or small you can adjust touch resistance. So when you're trying to hold the phone in this way, the palm, if this touch the screen doesn't respond much while gaming. And final option is the enhanced visual benefits. So you do get this kind of option which is present in most of the Redmi, Poco and other MI phones. So we are seeing this kind of options nowadays in most of the phones. So you can see huge difference in terms of the colors and everything. So these are the complete features about the game turbo. So this is what about the application is, but actual things lies in the gameplay when you're trying to play the game. So let me try to open the games right now. So after opening the game, you'll get this kind of option from on the top. So these is what the game turbo controls are. So these are how it looks, everything, all the game turbo controls. And first thing is that when you're trying to play the game, you can see the real-time FPS meter on the top. It's about 120 FPS right now. And you can see the CPU and the GPU performance. And if you tap here, this will boost the RAM, screenshots, screen recording, and do not disturb Wi-Fi, SIM1, and voice changer application. Voice changer is there in this phone, so you can always change the voice while playing the game to different custom voice. I'll try to do separate video on this particular topic, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. If you want, you can record your own voice, something like that. So I'll try to do separate video dedicated only for that. And next is a visual enhancement mode. You can see the changing in the colors when you're trying to tap it. That's another biggest advantage. So casting the screen, and this will cast the screen if you want to play in the big screen. Next is I think the game will be continuing in the background and the phone will get locked. So this is how you can do it if you want it. So these are the few options which are available in this Game Turbo latest version in this Redmi Note 10 Pro device. But overall, friends, there's nothing much special is going on in this Redmi Note 10 Pro. So all the same features are already present in the other smartphones. So if you're having any other doubts regarding this smartphone, so make sure to comment below. Definitely, I'll do my best to cover maximum amount of videos on this phone. So the next upcoming videos which I'm planning to do is maybe on the battery draining or haptic feedback. Those categories I'll try to do a separate video. So overall, friends, the gaming experience is really good in this phone, so no problem in terms of the gaming. So apart from the Snapdragon 732G, everything is pretty good with the phone. As you can see, the gameplay, this is a 120 Hz gameplay. I'm trying to play 120 FPS game, which is playing perfectly all right now without any kind of problem. As you can see, 120 FPS. And for more videos on this one, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, and don't forget to check the links in description for more details. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.